Hey guys, so today we're going to create a linear regression line using how the money we spent as a family. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill out this table with your data using the items that your family spent on. So first step is to make a list of everything that your family spent on. So here I put breakfast, lunch, anything from laundry, credit card, gas, dishes. So I'll say ask your parents what they spend money on, and you can make a list of at least 10 items. And then you're going to write how much do they spend per week. So for breakfast, for example, on Mondays, here I put on average people spend around $2 to $3 per person for a small breakfast or $7 for a full breakfast. So usually on weekdays we eat small breakfasts, and there's 4 of us in my family. So 4 times, let's say 3 per person, that's 12. So I'm gonna go 12, 12, 12, 12. And then Fridays, sometimes we eat out. And then Saturdays and Sundays, we eat out maybe more. And then Sundays, we go big after church. And then you could do another item like lunch. So same thing. Let's say I spent $3 per person. That's 12 total because 3 times 4 is 12. And then on Fridays, maybe we eat out, but lunch is a little more expensive. And then Sundays, we spend a lot more. Maybe go to like Olive Garden or something. And then you make sure you do at least 10 items. Some items might be reoccurring. So, for example, car payments. My mom pays for her car $850 per month. Divide that by 30 because there's $30 in a month. So that'll be $28 per day. So you can spread out that payment by writing 28. So make sure you have at least 10 items to get full credit. Once you do that, this equation populates for you already. So basically it added up the total for each day. So I did the sum for Monday all the way to Sunday. And then here at this table, I told Google Excel sheet to add up all the days. So for example, this is day 1 plus through day 4. And then this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So you can see that as the number of days increases, the more money I have spent. So you're going to select this whole table and drag, and then you're going to insert and chart. And a little chart should pop up. And then this little chart editor shows up. So make sure you change the chart type to scatter plot because we're using scatter plots for linear regression. And then what you're going to do is make sure this box is clicked, use column K as labels. So that way the X comes at the bottom, because if it's not clicked, it creates 2 weird lines. You just want one. Okay, so once you have that done, you're going to go to customize and you're going to add the titles. So for your vertical axis, you can put money spent versus days. And then change this vertical axis to say horizontal. Oh wait, that was the vertical axis. Sorry. I meant to write the title first. So chart title is the title of the whole graph. So that'll be money spent versus days. Or money spent. And then you're going to click down on that drop down where it says chart title. Click it and then go to horizontal axis. So now you're labeling your y-axis. So as you can see, the days pops up. And now you just need to label your y-axis, which is your vertical axis. So label that as dollars spent. So this is how much money your family spent as a function of days. So now you have your labels and your title. And the last but not least, you have to go down to series. And where it says trend line, click on that. And then where it says label none, click on use equation. And that's it. So you're going to use this equation for your homework. Let me know if you have any questions.